there, all my crafty friends, and if you are new here, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to transform a couple of tiny clay pots into a Christmas Jingle Bells ornament for your tree. It's super easy and fun to do, so gather up your supplies and let's make a mess together. I bought these cute little clay pots at Hobby Lobby, and I'm going to make two little gold bells out of them. The first thing I'm going to do is give them a primer coat of beige paint. Since they're clay, they'll soak up the paint pretty good, and I'd rather they soak up the beige paint and not the gold. With bells being introduced into the Christian churches around 400 AD, the early missionaries used small handbells to call people to worship. I painted both the inside and the outside in the beige paint and let it dry for a couple of hours. Now I'm adding the gold paint both inside and outside, and I'll let that dry before moving on. It actually took 2 coats of the gold paint to get the color depth that I wanted, and then I added a coat of clear glossy varnish after the paint was dry. If you're enjoying this video, please let me know by hitting that like button. By doing so, you help my channel to grow and reach more people out there. That way I can continue to bring all of you great tutorials. And thank you for doing that. And now it's the part that I love. I'm going to put this all together now. I'm going to add some holly, some candy canes, some snowflakes, and some jingle bells in the center of the pot. I'd love to get some feedback. Are you guys enjoying the fun facts I'm adding? Please let me know in the comments. If you don't like it, I'd love to hear about that as well. In the Middle Ages, bells were thought to have supernatural powers. During the 7th century, it is said that the Bishop of Ariella rang the bells to warn people of an attack. When the enemy heard them, they were said to have fled in fear. The people credited the bells with having saved them. In a world with little man-made noise, the sound of bells was not only majestic, but could be deeply fearful. I'm using twine to hold the jingle bells in place and as an ornament hanger. I have a lot more Christmas videos coming up. Every week from now until Christmas. You'll want to subscribe so you don't miss any of them. And if you want to be notified every time I upload a new video, make sure you click that bell. I tied a knot in the twine on the inside as a stopper so the jingle bell wouldn't get pulled up to the top on the inside of the pot. And then I hung one of them a little bit lower than the other and tied a second knot. I added a little fake snow on the tops of the bells, just for fun. Popular superstition alleged that bells could ring themselves. In 1170, it is said that those of Canterbury Cathedral trolled themselves when Thomas A. Becket was murdered. I'm going to add a beautiful bow with this white and gold ribbon. I'll add some greenery and 3 red berries to the center of the bow. Does anyone out there know who Thomas A. Becket was? If you do, let me know in the comments. Make sure you stick around till the end of this video and I'll give you the answer. In the early 1900s, bell ringers were encouraged to appoint a tower captain who became responsible for the regular attendance and general conduct of ringers, including giving penalties for bad ringing or behavior. Thomas A. Becket was an English archbishop and martyr, famously murdered by the Knights of Henry II at Canterbury Cathedral. I put together a playlist of all Christmas ornaments and other Christmas projects. Click the picture on the right to be taken directly to that playlist. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any future videos.